So I've got a horse in training here that likes to drag when you lead him. When you're thinking about fixing a problem, you either need more knowledge, you need to maybe a new technique or to apply your technique a little bit differently, or you need a different tool. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways how I kind of help fix this issue. He's a 10-year-old, I believe sort of a Frisian cross Pinto gelding. So he's been doing what he's been doing for a long time. He's really good at it. Doesn't matter if you've got a rope halter on or not. He just hangs back on you when you're leading him. So I thought he'd be a perfect example of how the new Horseman's halter with the training side ring is very helpful. The first way I would, try to do it, which I've worked on with him, is having a stick and string and teach him to lead up off of that pole pressure. Because when you think about it, when you're leading forward, you're actually applying pressure to the pole. So basically what he's doing is pushing into that pole pressure, and he just doesn't care about leading it up. So what do I do with the stick and string? If I didn't have that training ring on there, that side ring to help me, I would put a little bit of pressure here, and then I would chase him up. See how he pulls back on that halter? I'd chase him up and get him going. So that's one technique. And then if I didn't have that stick and string, which I don't carry a stick and string around with me all day long, I use it when I'm teaching and training, but if I'm just trying to get from the saddling bay to the wash bay, I don't pick up my stick and string. It's just not practical. So what I like about having this training ring on here, it actually has a slipping action. So it's a slip chin, like you would see on some of the bitless bridles have that piece that goes under the chin and then back under the jaw and hooks up here, or like a chin chain, only it's not as aggressive as a chin chain, it's just the rope. This is for training, not for tying. Okay, so I just take my rope from the 180-degree ring, put it over here on the side ring, and go, okay, come on, buddy, let's go. And I'd squeeze that chin down on him, and I'd start trotting, get him to move up off of it. When he catches me, slow back down. Again, I'd put a little pressure. Oh, look, he came right up off of it that time. No problem. He gave me a very nice yes ma'am. Oh, look, he came right up off of it that time. I didn't even have to start jogging. So instead of having that one-to-one pressure like you would with your dead ring down here, right, or your rope halter, you've got a little bit of help with that slip chin training ring on the side of the Horseman's halter.